Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I'm up at the Law Hill, as you can see. Thought I would do a video to show you the Hollywood-esque Beanotown sign that has been put up here. Thought I'd show you from the back as well, because not many people, a couple of videos I've seen on YouTube, but nobody's really showing you obviously the work that's been put in to put this up. We will go around the front momentarily, so let's go. This is being put up on the Law Hill. Hopefully you can see Dundee in the background beyond the sign. It's been put up as part of the 10-day BEANO festival that has been running from the 14th to the 24th of July. It's the BEANO Summer Festival, part of, I don't think it's really an anniversary, it's just kind of a celebration of the history of comics in Dundee, because obviously D.C. Thompson, famous comic book and other publication newspapers included, is a Dundee company, so it's a festival to kind of commemorate that. You can see these letters here, they're quite tall actually, maybe about 15 feet tall at least. You can see what I said, very Hollywood-esque because of the big white letters. Never been to Los Angeles, but obviously it certainly looks kind of like Hollywood, up the Hollywood Hills. See, but just big white individual panels and they've been put up. The first night of this was put up in stages. It just said this, BEAN, which attracted the attention of quite a few people on social media and a couple of newspapers, but obviously it was very quickly finished to say Beanotown. There's been a lot of events, public events happening around the city centre of Dundee for this event. Even places like McManus Galleries, D.C. Thompson themselves, I think they've got some kind of display on. There's been a lot of stuff happening in the city square as well, including the Archie Foundation, who have got a display of 12 of the previous Urwillie Bucket Trail figures in there, including one that is signed by artists from Tea in the Park. That is getting auctioned off at the moment. I was told by my friend Chris, who's part of staffing that they sold a similar smaller one just a few months ago for no less than £6,000. I think that's one signed. From all speaking to him and everything like that, that is going to be worth a fortune for anyone to buy it, even if they pay around about that amount of money. By my estimation of the autographs and stuff, that's going to be worth quite a bit of money. So there's about, say, when I record this, there's just a couple of days left in this festival. As I said, this is just a temporary installation, so this will be taken down, I would imagine, in the next couple of weeks. There's a petition online to try and keep it permanent, but I don't think that's going to happen. And it's obviously just going to be taken down. So I like this. One of my things is to obviously covering, public events, photographing, etc. So I like it. The BEANO Festival, I've not had a great chance to attend some of the events, but I think this is good. I like this sitting on the Law Hill. It's very visible from various different places in Dundee, and you can see where it is. It's a great, well, it's not so great view today in terms of cloud as it's been, You can see obviously the Tay Road Bridge there, right across Dundee, and you can go down across Fife, which I'm not going to get the chance to do. You can see the sign from across there. Seen some great photos of it. So yeah, I like this. It's an unusual, one-off, a unique thing. I said that part of doing the, like, photographing public events and stuff is kind of these kind of things, the one-off, unique events. I said, you know, it's about DC Thomson, the history of comic books, and one of the things, talking about comic books actually, before I wrap this up, I came up here last week just to get a few photos of the sign, and it ended up just being the time that Dennis the Menace was up here getting his photograph taken with this sign. It had just been finished, so I came up knowing it'd be signing. Just good timing. I had to stand back a little bit because I'm not press, but I got a few good photos anyway. It just happened to be timing, come up to get some photos of the view across the city and maybe one or two of the sign, and I just got lucky. That's what it is about photography sometimes, about timing. You just get lucky with the timing. I've been lucky at a few events, just timing and appearances and stuff like that. But I thought I would just do a relatively kind of quick video just to show you the sign.